Today, Claire and I will be exploring the question, why was the church so anti-Galileo?
So Galileo Galilei was an Italian scientist who helped confirm Copernicus's ideas of a heliocentric model of the universe with the help of Johannes Kepler, an astronomer from Germany.
Galileo invented the instrument he used to make his observations known as the telescope after hearing of a Dutch device that enlarged the size of objects at a distance. He was able to see details of the moon, Saturn's rings, spots on the sun, and Jupiter's moons revolving around Jupiter.
He was able to see things that no one had ever seen before, which led to his publishings in 1632. He confirmed that the Earth was not the center of the universe, and the Sun was, by studying the movement of Venus.
The church was so anti-Galileo because church scholars said that his findings contradicted the Bible and were an invention of the devil. The church said this because the Bible speaks of the movement of earth. It says that God placed the earth and it will not move. People had believed in the Bible all their lives. Therefore, they were going to listen to it years before ever considering to listen to a man interpreting the Bible on his own, which was not allowed. Only the Pope and other church officials could read the Bible.
In our opinion, the church should not have been against Galileo's findings. He observed physical bodies of nature to support his theories. The Bible is only a scriptural text and has no evidence or experiments to back up its claims. Church scholars could have given Galileo the chance to teach his work to others and explain why it is true instead of immediately disapproving it.
In addition, the telescope could not have been an invention of the devil because it was meant to help society. Galileo says, "I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use, which means that he should be able to use the intelligence God gave him to use when God created man." Galileo built the telescope using this intellect and sense that God gave him, which does not involve the devil at all.
Galileo was not anti-church. The church was anti-Galileo. Two of his daughters became nuns during their lives. If the church had given Galileo a chance in the 1600s, his house arrest could have been avoided. Consequently, to the church being anti-Galileo, we believe that Galileo's findings brought society together and mended the breaks from when Martin Luther proved the church wrong. Society did not have the same trust for the church as they had before the Protestant Reformation, so many gave Galileo's findings a chance, introducing science to the world.
Yay.